premium you took today. You were a sample for everybody.
Yeah. Well, it's my own fault. Every man to his own game.
Well, what's your game?
Cards.
Well, play cards every night if you want to get even.
Get even. Say, if I ever get him into a card game, I'll get my cash register back and his shake too.
Well, you better come well heeled because there'll be plenty of money there.
What time?
7 o'clock.
Where?
Very handy. Upstairs, right over your apartment. And don't forget, 7 o'clock.
Adios. Good night.
Well, I certainly hope I have more luck tonight than I did last time. What are you talking about?
Every day. Not a cent. Oh, say, honey, how much money have you got saved on your fur coat?
About $160.
Oh, no, that's where you're wrong. Why, this poker game is as easy as taking candy from a little child.
Well, even if you did...
When I get far enough ahead, well, I'll step on the floor like this, see? And that's a signal for you to come up and get me. I
don't know whether I ought to do this.
All right. You don't want the fur coat?
But I do want the coat.
Give me the money then, honey.
Now, don't you forget to play according to Hoyle.
Say,
Have another stack of chips. That makes 50, don't it? Right. You know, I wish we had Elmer in this game. I'd get even. When it comes to playing poker, he's the best barber in town. Hi, Elmer.
Fellas.
Hi, Elmer. We were just talking about you.
Oh, yeah?
We might just as well give Elmer all the chips now, fellas, and save a lot of time, huh?
Oh, I'll tell you that. Oh, boys. My feet hurt. I can always tell when it's going to be bad weather. Think it cost me 30.
I should have got it.
Got me out.
That goes for me, too. I gotta see you.
If you say 'em, I can.
What do you got? 4 aces.
Oh, boy, something just told me not to get in that pot.
I'll bet 20.
I'll bet 40.
I'll make it 100.
I'll bet the whole work.
There I go for all I have.
I'll call this much. I'll call. Well, what do you got?
A flush.
Just a minute.
I got a full house. Follow me, gentlemen. 4-8.
Whoa! Don't get excited. I got it straight, and they're all the same time.
Holy mackerel, a royal flush. Boy, are you a lucky dog.
Yeah, I am kind of lucky at that. Yes.
Well, what do you got?
Two pair of fives and a pair of aces.
3 little deuces, never loses. Come home, boys. You've been away a long while.
Yeah.
Come on.
How many?
One.
Good. You know, for a minute I thought you were bluffing.
What a fun! Look at that fun! Now it's my turn to be happy.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, cut it out. Don't do that. That makes me very nervous.
What do you mean it makes you nervous? It was all right when you were winning. You were stamping all over the place.
Yeah, but this is different.
How was it different?
Oh, you're too young. You wouldn't understand. But as a favor to me, cut it out. Will you?
Well, all right. If you feel that way about it and it makes you nervous, then I'll keep quiet.
Thanks.
Oh, boy, what a push!
Yeah.
Sorry I had to miss the game tonight. I've been rehearsing. Have we got to step it to honey? Get a load of it.
Hey, cut it out. Hey, don't do that, will you?
What's wrong with him? Ha! A sore loser. Far be it from me to annoy the losers.
Yeah.
Count me in, will you?
Yeah.
Oh, my foot is slipped.
Hey, please don't do
I
that.
can't help it. My foot's asleep.
I'll rub it for you. I'll do anything for you. Just don't do that, will you, please?
All right now.
That feel better?
Yeah. Say, what time are we going to quit?
Oh, let's play a couple of more hands and we'll call it a night.
Oh, wait a minute. That's too early. You can't quit now.
Hello, honey. Come on, dear. You've played long enough. I'm tired and you've got to get up early.
Oh, please, not yet, honey.
Oh, but you promised.
Oh, but honey, you're making a terrible mistake.
Oh, no, you're going to bed right now.
Oh, honey, look, if we quit now, all the boys will be sore at me, won't you, boys?
No, you Say, I never knew you were such a good actor. You had me convinced.
On a foot wet sleep, you know, and
Oh, yeah? Well, here's where you're going to join his foot.
I see you shaved yourself this morning. Once over life. Double or nothing. Wow.